If you're not making money on Amazon KDP, I want you to stop, watch this video, let's talk about it. Alright, so Q4 is one of the biggest income generating months for self-publishers on Amazon KDP. This is because people love buying presents for each other during the Christmas season. Amazon has 300 million Prime users. These are people who pay monthly or annually just to have Prime membership. This allows them to watch movies. This allows them to have books shipped to their house within 3 or 4 days. 90 million of them shop every single month. So we have this customer pot, right? This group of customers. It's time to figure out what they want and be able to supply it to them in book form. In this video, I'd like to share with you how to prepare for future niches that sell really well. This is one of the ways that I have crossed 6 figures in my royalty, but this is also another reason that I have sold multiple 6 figures on Amazon. You might be like, what's the difference there? I leverage book ads. With book ads, you can target anybody. You can target anything on Amazon. So as a fitness trainer, you put out a fasted logbook or a weight training book. You can take that book and you can run ads to any piece of rogue equipment out there. You can do it to weightlifting, to workout clothes. It's endless. It's powerful. It's one of the strategies that I teach inside the Bids and Budget Masterclass. It's a playbook of over 33 modules and trainings of tried and tested strategies that I use for low and medium content books. Now, you're watching this way before Valentine's, but I want to show you and give you ideas of what you can publish right now to be ready for Valentine's in February. I always plan out 60 to 90 days for the niches that spike. For evergreen niches, you can do those anytime, but I like to have the uptick in sales now. I like to have them there now, so then when those holidays come around, the books are ready to be sold and shipped, because Amazon buyers want something overnight. They want it as soon as they can get it. So I'm going to turn around my camera, I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to do some ideation with you where you're going to see me research ideas for the Valentine's season that is in months away, right? I'm going to do the same for St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to do the same thing for Easter. If you want to see over the shoulder more like this, then type in the letter OTS, over the shoulder. And that will let me know that you're here for the long game of building an income stream. If you're new to this channel, I have published over 515 books. I have over 700 YouTube videos, and I am obsessed with bookish items. So journals, planners, notebooks, coloring books, activity books, things where we're not having to write our whole life away or labor for like 9 months trying to get a book out. Fast, efficient automation allows us to do this today. So let's turn around my screen and grab a notebook and let's keep track of the ideas you have for upcoming profitable holidays. Okay, so we know that Amazon uses historical data to be able to serve the customers the best experience. This is also a reason why I like to get my books up a little bit earlier, is so they have a little bit of history behind them versus publishing the week of Valentine's, right? Most people that want to celebrate a holiday they love are going to plan ahead. They're going to be thinking about it early, okay? So I have my favorite plugin tool, which is BookBeam. I have a coupon code for you. It's an affiliate link that can allow you to save a lot of time by having the Chrome extension plugged in. You can see here on my screen, I don't have to wonder what does well. You can see the third one in. It's 10 months old. They published this during Valentine's, but it still makes $21 a day. So instead of going around and chasing different niches, this is a really great tip just to lean into an existing niche that is selling well and go in, okay? They have also, because it's not low content, they've actually made it a series, bold and easy coloring books. Now, I have opinions about series, and I'll save that for another video because there is a way that you can leverage it and even protect it from other people using it. Okay, so this book is making $21 a day, 11 cells. It's 10 months old. Let's look at what else is bought with it. So you can see here that people are just interested in coloring. So it's kind of fun that this is not necessarily Valentine's, right? So this is good positioning for you to think about. This will sell well during Valentine's, and it comes up during Valentine's, but it is not necessarily coined or titled as Valentine's. Okay. So this is how I want you to think outside of the box with your niches, to understand that sometimes going too all in on a particular holiday can miss the mark with the customer buying, right? So like someone who loves hearts, they're going to love hearts all the time. It doesn't matter if it's Valentine's, but I like using these evergreen principles inside of seasonal types of holidays. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. So I want you to think about, how do I create an evergreen book around a holiday? And they've done it here. Okay. Let's go down a little bit more. And they're actually, you guys have probably seen this. This trend is an 8x8 coloring book. 8x8 coloring books are doing really well. They're really fun to see. Okay. Another aspect that helps this make that money every single day, you can see from BookBeam, $21 a day, is that they have uploaded other books in their series. Okay. And they are not necessarily related other than the style. Okay. So once you are able to define a style, you have the autonomy, you have the choice, you have the ability to do lots of different types of themes. That's what these are: ocean theme, woodland theme, mandala, coloring book theme. Okay. They're staying in the space of bold and easy. Okay. So this can be bought by multiple types of customers because they're sharing the example. Okay. And they're showing the benefits of this. So I want you to think about this, because they didn't use the word Valentine's. They didn't overuse that, but they put it in children's Valentine Day books. Okay. So this is something for you to think about. Even though this is a February holiday, Amazon has a year-round category for it. All of these have a year-round category that you can publish in right now to get ready for those spikes when they come. Okay. And here's another interesting thing. Valentine's, people are publishing books about love, and they're selling all the time, not just during Valentine's. That's the big shift that happened for me, and I want that for you, where we are looking at holiday themes as evergreen topics. Okay. Let's go down and look at self-published. Because I have BookBeam, I can see on the first page what is self-published. Okay. And look how cool this is. This coloring book is the best-selling self-publishing coloring book here. Okay. And so this is a really great opportunity for you to create something that doesn't exist already and that can compete in here, that is simple and cute. And if you are using artificial intelligence, you're being smart about it and you're really focused on the customer's experience. Okay. This book is very focused on the customer experience. Doesn't look like there's anything going on that's like, oh, that person has a third finger or fifth arm, or they're being very bold and easy, and they're doing really well because they've built out this brand. Let's see if we can find another self-published. And here's the interesting thing. We're looking at this. This is October. These numbers these change every hour, and they're going to change every month. And you may see in February a lot of Valentine books pick up. But the topic of Valentine's is love, and love is evergreen. Okay. The topic of St. Patrick's Day is luck. Luck is evergreen. There are going to be some evergreen stuff that happens inside of here. Look how cute this is. Number 51, makes $16 a day. Harvey the Heart had too many farts. It's self-published, you guys. Okay, my kids would love that because they're boys and they think that stuff is funny. And that's why it's selling. So they know their customer base. Let's see what else is self-published. I hope this is giving you ideas just to think outside of the box in terms of, okay, Jenny has showed me that certain holidays are going to spike sales, but there is evergreen inside of them. These books all make money every single day because they're about love. Okay, now this one, Valentine's, is make $1 a day, but you can bet your bottom dollar this is going to spike as we get closer to Valentine's. Okay, so take this information, go forth and publish something that doesn't exist before. Do not copy, just remain inspired. Let's actually click on this to get an idea of what their brand is building because they've got killer reviews. Kept it so simple. Dad and me setting farts free. Wow. I might have to buy that for my kids. Oh man, I don't want to, but they would like it. Monster farts. Okay, here's their niche, you guys. It's farts. So good job to Jane. She has found her niche. Kids think toots are funny. Hopefully this video doesn't get banned because we're talking about toots. And we found it because of Valentine's and love. Kids love toots, okay? Birthday toots, okay? So they're really building out a brand. They're testing stuff. Is everything a bestseller? No, 80% of your sales come from 20% of your books, okay? So we're going to do more of these. Just drop a OTS in the comments so we can focus on other niches and really build out books that are evergreen in their themes, but you get spike sales during the holidays. There's another video here I'm recommending, YouTube's recommending, and I'd love for you to subscribe so you don't miss anything as we release videos at least weekly over here with Jenny Hansen Lane. Love you guys. Peace out.